Anyway, the next line we do the same thing. We enter value 2. We receive the textual representation of what the user typed into the console through the console.readline method. We convert it into an integer using the int.parse method. Then we do something fun. We do result equals user's left value plus user's right value. Now this plus is not the same as this plus. And that's something that's going to be very confusing to a lot of people as they continue programming. Things do not necessarily mean the same, even though they might look like they're the same thing in programming. So this plus does not mean the same thing as this plus. This plus is concatenation. The reason we know that this is doing concatenation is because this is a string, or, well, this is an int, but this is a string. If at least one of the values is a string, then we will have a concatenation. If both values are integers, we will have addition. So this expression, again, I really want to hone in on that word expression, because expressions are incredibly important. This is an expression which is a value and a type, meaning it has a value. The value is whatever user's left value plus user's right value is, and has a type, which is an integer. Because this expression turns into an integer, or has the type of integer, we can assign it to our variable result, which result right now is just kind of a holding tank for us printing it out later. I could have reused user's left value or user's right value to contain the result if I wanted to. In fact, I could have performed the addition inline right here, but I broke it out for clarity reasons and to show that using intermediate variables to store data is a very good practice to have, especially when you're learning to program, because it allows you to very easily see the results of each one of your expressions line by line, as opposed to reusing variables that don't have the right names or placing all that logic inline on this expression.